We do want to get a check of that forecast because we're kind of smack dab in the middle of it. Every camera that I've looked at, Krista, it looks the same. Snow-packed roads, ice-covered cameras, and it's not over yet.
That's right. It's the same story all across central Indiana. Those road conditions are not great. We recommend you do not travel, as we keep emphasizing, and we'll continue to keep that message as we head through the rest of today. Look at this view of the Motor Speedway, the IMS. We are looking quite the winter wonderland out here, and Live Guardian radar, same story, very active. We have a lot of snowfall coming through central Indiana at this time. Areas to the south starting to see more of those heavier bands continuing to pick up. They kind of come, they go, and we're looking at them picking up again as we head through these next few hours. Areas farther to the south, though, right on the fringe of central Indiana, I do think out towards Bloomfield, even portions of southern Monroe County, getting more reports of this transitioning back and forth from some snow to sleet. So that's going to eat away at those snow totals. But regardless, that sleet continues to make for some very treacherous travel conditions. That snow spreads all the way to the eastern border, Connorsville, Rushville, Newcastle, Richmond, all in on that snow. Lighter to our north, although we do have a few heavier pockets, this one nearing Kokomo at this time. And we're going to continue to add onto those snowfall totals that we saw last night and from the snow that we've seen this morning. Still quite a bit of time left on this system as it moves to the north and east. It stretches well to our south and west, and with the snow that we have right now, visibility is also reduced. So it's not just slick roads. Those visibility numbers are now right around a mile or less. And as those snowfall rates do pick up over these next couple of hours, we'll see that visibility drop even more. Here are some of the snow totals from last night into this morning. On the high end of what we've received so far, nearly 9 inches in Lafayette, Peru at 7.2 inches of snowfall, New Market in Montgomery County at 6.6 inches. And last check in Indianapolis out at the airport, they were at 2.8 inches of snowfall. That was about an hour ago, waiting for another update. Let's go through the timing here on CBS 4 Future View. This takes us to 3 o'clock, still planning on that steady snowfall. And then as we head towards the late afternoon, I do think our heaviest bands at this time will be off on our eastern and our southeastern counties. As we head into the evening hours, we'll start seeing more of a break, more of a lull in this. And really, this is going to be on its way out. This does look a little too clear in my opinion at 7:30 p.m. I don't think we're this dry at this time, but I do think we'll start seeing many areas getting those bigger breaks in the snow. We'll continue with those chances for some bands of snow coming through the overnight hours. This is 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, mainly in our south and eastern counties. And even as we head towards the morning commute, this is 6:30 a.m., I wouldn't completely rule out some snow showers still in the area. Even if you don't have active snow falling, though, we will be concerned about those slick roads from some blowing and drifting snow. So how much snow are we going to see from the wave today? So this includes what we got this morning and what we'll see through the later portion into the evening hours too. So from the second wave that we're going to see as it finishes off, we're looking at totals right around 6 to 9 inches right through the heart of central Indiana here, covering the I-70 corridor. That'll be the pocket of the heaviest snow. And you can see a little farther north, a little farther south, then those totals will lessen. There'll be more of a sharp cutoff as you move either farther north or south away from I-70. CBS 4 Future View with those winds gusting, though, that's also going to be a problem. In addition to the snowfall we'll have on the ground, those winds gusting out of the northeast, 25 to 30 miles an hour. It's going to be whipping that snow around. So that'll reduce visibility as well. And as they're treating these roads, that blowing snow just piling back on to those treated roadways too. So that will also be a travel concern, a travel hazard through the rest of today, and that'll be a problem tomorrow too. Temperatures are cold now. We're in those low to mid 20s. We have wind chill temperatures that are in the single digits. After this snow moves on out, we are looking at temperatures really taking a dime. So we keep those snow showers around for today. That winter storm warning that we are under, that continues until 1 a.m. Then we drop down to 10 10 degrees by early tomorrow morning. Only make it to 19 as we head into the afternoon, but we will get some more sunshine. Very cold as we start the weekend. We are down to actual air temperatures right around -5 starting off Saturday morning. We stay cold on through the weekend with temperatures below freezing, and then we were looking at more flurries before the weekend is out. Nick?